Hey, what's up guys, it's Creepcraft here again. Now today I'm going to be showing a YouTube video on my pump action spas12 Mark II. Now if you've seen my last one, I'm going to be true here, it was like a piece of shit. Not really, it was quite good. We still work, but this one is a lot better. I'll just give you a little look around. I'm quite sorry for the bad video quality at the moment. But so yeah, here's the pump, the fully articulated grip, a working mechanism. I'll show you the other side. It also has a folding stock. You lift this up, fold this back. I'm quite sorry for the size on this, but let's take my camera over here. Oh yeah, it's quite good quality now. It's rendered. The camera's rendered. So it has a pump action mechanism and a shell ejecting mechanism. It also shoots rubber bands. So yeah, I'll show you the pump action. The stock's like quite long, so yeah. As you can see there, it ejected the shell. I'll just go ahead and take another one off. Like this. You load it in like this from the top here. And then you pump. Sometimes it's quite faulty because I didn't pump it fast enough. Yeah, but I got my trustworthy shell holder. Yeah, the mechanism's quite close. It's quite tight on this. But as you can see here, the mechanism's right here. Push this back, and yeah. So guys, I'll just show you shooting at rubber bands. So here it is now, and I'm kind of sorry for the vacuum cleaner in the background. I think my parents decided it would be time to clean up. But yeah, so here's the mechanism. Oh, okay, I'll be back. So yep, I've loaded it again. I'll show you from a distance. It shot 3 rubber bands in one shot. So yeah, it's quite a good gun. Pretty efficient. My favorite thing about it is it's all in color. Oh yeah, also this is a suppressor, just to let you know. It doesn't work, but yeah. Oh yeah, I'll just show you one more thing before I end this video. So here is the mechanism. I'm sorry for the talking in the background, but as you can see, I'll give you a better view. When I pump this, it pushes back on the spring. And the spring flew up, man. See? So guys, thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button. Once again, sub if you liked this gun and you like my videos. And yeah, thanks for watching and bye.